morning, everyone. My name is AJ T. Baliaspin. I am at 21 years old and I'm schooled in Abi Maria College, Liloy. My course is Bachelor Elementary Education, and now I will share my ideas. It's all about communication and globalization. My perspective on communication. Communication is more than just changing word. It is the very foundation of how we understand ourselves, connect with others, and build the world we share. Good communication isn't just about speaking clearly, it's about listening deeply, respecting difference, and creating space for voices that are one often unheard. Local language, tradition, and ways of telling stories are precious. They carry our history, values, and identity. At the same time, learning to communicate across boundaries let us share those gifts with the world. We communicate with empathy instead of your judgment. We don't judge, exchange information. We build trust, bridge divide, and turn stranger into neighbors, even in our digital age. Nothing replaces the care and respect that make a conversation truly meaningful. And now let's proceed for perspective on globalization. Globalization is like a double-edged bridge. It connects us in wonderful ways, but it also brings challenges we must face thoughtfully. The beautiful side it lets us share knowledge, culture, and hope across ocean. As a student, I learn from experts everywhere. Filipino food, music, and values reach people who have never set foot on our share. Communities can stand together to solve global problems like climate change. It reminds us that we all part of our human family. The challenges we must not ignore sometimes overshadow local culture, leave poorer communities behind, or make powerful voice drown out smaller ones. This is why globalization must be rooted in fairness. It should mean we celebrate our difference while standing on equal ground and holding our hospitality, resilience, and care for one another. In short, globalization at its best isn't about losing who we are. It's about growing together. So every culture, every community, and every person has a place and a voice in our shared future. And we must take care of our mountains and ocean, avoid indiscriminate littering, and respect nature to prevent harm to our community. We are responsible for our surroundings so that our community remains a wonderful place.